Wow, finally.
Finally, 2 tickets all in. If you watched the previous video, we were on a journey to find the right camera, find the stabilizer gimbal. But you know what? We didn't have any luck. So that was a crazy adventure. But
It was
today,
really disappointing.
yeah, it was pretty disappointing. But we slept on it. We made the decision. We're not gonna give up. So we're gonna keep pushing, keep trekking. And today, part 2 of our adventure continues. You wanna tell them what's going on?
So we are going to get me a new iPhone.
Brand new iPhone. Woo!
So yeah, I'm excited. Anxious at the same time because it's first time I am going to buy like one shot paying that iPhone. So I'm getting the Pro Max.
She has an iPhone.
I do have.
She's
an
always been an iPhone user.
Yeah, obviously.
But she's been saying she wants 3 cameras.
Yeah, I want the biggest like screen. So I think it's gonna be the Pro Max, right? The
Pro Max.
Yeah, that's the bigger screen, and also for the camera. And so yeah, it's gonna be my first time I get the Pro Max, actually the biggest screen. Like usually I always get the small one because I don't like when it's big. But now because we're we're gonna start filming and going out and pictures and all that, I felt like I need something big so I can edit on the phone and all that.
Yeah. Professional for work.
Yeah,
Nice.
so I'm anxious, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What else are you feeling?
excited, anxious.
Why are you anxious?
Because usually I get the phone from like the company. The first and maybe it's just gonna be the second time I pay a big amount like cash.
All at once, yeah.
Yeah, so
We're
that's
not doing a plan, we're just buying it to fly it up.
yeah. So I think maybe that's why I'm not sure if it's the right choice to do. Like I'm like
It's a bit of chunk of change, you know?
all this
Approaching 2 grand.
yeah.
Not small, yeah.
No, so I'm still thinking if it's
Well-
yeah, go. What?
Definitely better than what, Samsung,
Yeah, no.
all
I
the other
don't
companies.
agree.
And no Android.
I
Not an Android family.
No, I already have like for work. I have the
Yeah.
Samsung, and it's really hard for me to get used to. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the iPhone. But it's first time I'm gonna get the big one. I'm excited because and but then the same time I'm still like.
I'm so excited for you. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go grab that beautiful piece of gadget, and let's go trash some Samsung Android phones on our way too. That would be hella hilarious. You go to the person. Oh, sell us on this. Oh yeah, no, thank you. We're still Apple. Bye. Let's go. Are you ready?
I'm not sure if I'm ready. Oh shit, that's other store there.
Oh, nice. All right, let's go.
Well, the 16. No, the 15. So much.
What do you think?
It's huge. What is very big. Let's see if we can zoom. Okay. But
C'est 1806 euros.
iPhone 16 Plus.
So how much is your Comex?
What do you think should I do?
So that's like a monthly payment for 2 months, $73. Or you can buy it out for 15. You can do a trade-in. It'll be like from 1750 to I don't know 1500.
How much is gonna be with the tax? Because thanks to Canada, we have to pay taxes.
Yeah,
So how much the taxes are? I don't remember though. Let me.
13%.
Okay, let's see. I came here because I wanted to buy, and I see the price is like not joking price.
So, yeah.
But-
Always thought it was gonna be around this price.
Yeah, but now I don't know with the taxes. I don't remember how it should be. It's okay. What the
You do a trade-in?
yeah, but I have to pay because my credit card is here, so I have to pay with it first.
No, I have a cart.
No.
Well, with my hatchet friends. As soon as I bought the suit.
You wanted to tell you. Bro,
Comex.
bro, you are in the old space.
Okay. Let's go find someone to help us.
I actually have a question. Okay, so I was thinking to get the 16 Pro Max, but I also wanted to know if I wanted to create this too. So I know the screen is like broken, but I'm not sure if
Is
it's
there a screen protector on it, hopefully, no? Do you have Apple Care on it? Let's check.
Yeah, let's check. I'm gonna do a quick
Because of the track key, I know it decreases the price of it. I just don't know how much.
yeah, sure. Let's see how much.
How long you have your device for?
Maybe 3-4 more.
Even the one on the right.
That's more.
Desert ID.
Has that pinkish rose gold touch to it.
If I wouldn't.
Yeah, that's definitely pretty.
Okay.
That's the color.
Yeah, for sure. That's oh, like that one that has like gray, white.
Yeah.
I already have the white.
I definitely want desert.
Okay, so
That's a good color.
I should do that.
With the new Apple Intelligent, you can actually edit onto your picture, and there's a new cleanup. So let's say if you're traveling, you're taking a couple pictures, and then there's like a photo bar will go back. If you hit cleanup, it will actually like rank to card as the cleanup. And any character or any object that highlighted, you can kind of like smudge off. So for this case, because this guy is in the center, you can swipe up and there we go.
Wow,
Oh wow.
that's insane.
And then, are you guys familiar with ChatGPT?
Yeah.
It'll be ChatGPT integrated into Siri. So,
Really?
when you talk to a Siri, instead of it like searching like on a website for you,
Yeah.
it actually a bit more out of what you're trying to do,
It's like 4.0.
and it'll actually like help in the integration.
That's cool.
Should I like when I do that? I should I suggest that to Siri? What should do it automatically?
So it'll be initial like you set it up with Apple Intelligent.
Okay.
And once you have that, one thing I also love to do is to say about writing some text that I want to sound it professional. You can do this anywhere when you use the text icon, but originally use the notes, for example. When you click on it, hit writing tools, it'll give you a prompt so to ChatGPT. And if you want it for free, parameter, you can highlight it, then go into writing tools. But if you want to create a entirely new email, you can go over here. So, ChatGPT. That way you can type it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my god, that's so nice.
It was saving me so much time.
For sure. And once again, Apple Fair 60 days add-on. With the fridges too, you also do get sweet stuff as well. So I deleted these. So if you want, it's almost like a free file. Just subscribe to it, take advantage of it. It just cancels another day. And if you want to learn a bit more about the iPhones or Intelligent, in the video back we'll have today at Apple session. So it's like almost like a flashing setting where like those different details here. Hardly the iPad and iPhone. And then with the new Apple Intelligent, we also have the Apple.
Maybe we should go see that.
Check it out.
Yeah, I think I'm
So
gonna.
check online and today at Apple, there's different classes hosted at different locations.
Okay, now I'm gonna.
So we have to sign up.
It will be recommended to sign up. You can always like drop right into, but like let's say cases where like they talk about or they learn about drawing, sometimes they have like free devices for you to grade up. So for like those classes, it's preferred that you sign up so we have like that all the like fine.
Sweet.
Okay, wow, nice. I'm gonna
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your help. Thank you. Thank
Thanks.
you,
Have a good
John.
one. Congratulations, baby.
So excited! I cannot believe I did it.
You got your first device.
Your first like Pro Max crazy device.
so
That is so amazing.
I am sweating.
I was so excited.
Like that was so like not what I expected, but it was really nice. He was really nice.
It was so nice. Yeah, very thorough, very kind. Always asked us like A little extra. That was really cool.
That one I loved it. He was like giving me excited. I didn't even ask for it. So yeah.
Absolutely.
That's why the reason why I love actually like everything I had to do with Apple, because we have an amazing customer service, to be honest.
You know.
Always.
And they accepted our tax exempt status.
Oh yeah, true.
So that means we saved over $200. And if you want Apple Care, it's like paying taxes.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I didn't even rely, right?
Hey, well, it might be worth it. It might be worth it after all. You guys let us know. Would you take Apple Care in this situation? Subscribe. We're home with. And the crowd goes crazy. All right. Let's unbox your new vlogging camera.
Oh my god, so excited. Okay. Okay, let's put this here. Ha-da-da-da-da-da. Look at this.
No, I have to enjoy it.
So excited. Oh my god.
Desert titanium.
Look.
Nice.
Obviously, we're gonna just see what it comes with. So the new kind of charger, as Gax said, you know, with the new plug.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see.
Can charge it.
Yeah, that's a new kind of charger, so obviously. Okay, and then let's open the phone.
Ooh, I love that feeling. Brand new phone. How does it feel in your hand?
It's really big. It's really.
That's what she said.
Wow, it's big. It's really big.
It looks beautiful. Rose gold, desert titanium.
To be honest, yeah.
That's
I maybe.
do it again. Booyah! It's official. Ladies and gentlemen, her journey begins as a vlogger. Show some support. Hit the like button for good karma, for good juju, and for some good blessings coming your way.
It's really different, you know.
Hello. Gotta choose your language and set it up.
Look at this. Look at this.
All right. Sweet. All right, let's go. As you're setting up your phone,
Yeah.
guess what I did?
Wait.
I went behind your back.
What?
What is this? Open it up.
No, you didn't. You didn't. Oh my god, you didn't.
What is it?
No.
What is it?
The S1360. The one I wanted.
The one you wanted it for your official gimbal.
You're so
You.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
Now you have your gimbal. We can watch YouTube tutorials on how to use it.
Where did you get this?
Sneaky, sneaky. That's what it is. She got her InstaFlow 360
Yes. Oh my
model.
god. Oh my god. Oh.
That's the model, right?
Yeah, that's it. The one I wanted.
Yeah.
It's
So
pretty
you'll
flowing.
be able to like use it as a gimbal. You can watch the video on your new camera. I mean, on your new camera, on your new phone.
Yeah, you know what? We need to watch how to. Yeah.
You can kill some time like that. Congratulations, Buddha.
Oh, thank you, babe. You're so cute. I'm so lucky. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so. Oh my god, like a new phone, new Insta360, the one I wanted. Like I was like, yeah,
It's the model.
the one I was so disappointed because we couldn't find.
Yeah, I had to sort of destroy your expectations and be like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna buy it. I just wanted to see if you wanted it. I had to be a complete asshole to destroy her dreams. Because I realized I sort of ruined the surprise. And then,
He was.
yeah,
Yeah,
I had to
I know.
shut her down. I had to
Yes,
just pop the
I know.
bubble.
But
That way it's like, not from positive to neutral, zero. It'll be in the negative. So when I do this, it's like blindsided.
That's so crazy. I literally lost hope I'm gonna get one. I was like, okay, whatever, it's not important.
I have sneaked away from the wife in order to get her the Insta360. I'm meeting up with a buyer I saw online. I heard it's secondhand, but it's in pretty good condition. So yeah, let's see if we can get this surprise going. I just gotta go find him and meet up with him. So more than half the price. She's not expecting this because I sort of like, we went, because she saw our previous video. It was pretty disappointing because we couldn't see some examples in person, and she's pretty sad about it, and you couldn't have a look at it. But if everything goes well, we'll be able to have something pretty affordable. She can get her first gimbal in place and have that experience. So let's go check it out.
You use it mostly for short videos, but that's all you need to set up. You still need to, or you know, it takes time. It's not like you almost and it goes to the magic, right? But I did some really good videos with this. Yeah, it's actually I like it too. Okay, so you wanna check the? Okay, enjoy. So like you're good.
Well, congratulations. We're gonna go test out your new gadgets as an official blogger. If you like this, please hit the like button. If you don't, let us know why down in the comments. And yeah,
I don't think they would not like it, right, guys?
you know, the support goes a long
These
way.
people are nice. They will like it, I'm sure, 100%.
We're still new. Teach us.
Yeah.
Come join us on the journey. 2 tickets all in. We're gonna go set up the new phone, you know, and figure out how to use this gadget. So be sure to check out this next video because we're on our way to our journey. 2 tickets
Oh my
all in.
God.
Let's go.
When?
Behind the scenes.
I'm always here. How did you like me?
Had to be extra sneaky. Hopefully you don't do some detective work. We know how much you like detective work.
No, no.
Try not to ruin the surprise,
Okay,
bro.
yeah,
You know how
yeah.
hard it is to surprise you? It's like impossible.
That's not true. And let you surprise me. It just
You're like, where are you? What you doing? Who you with? Couldn't show you. If you go somewhere without telling me, oh my god.
not true.
Impossible to surprise you.
Why are you saying that? It's not true. Like, I actually let you do whatever you want. I can't wait to see how it works. Maybe we should put the video now on YouTube.